A strange object drifts through our solar system, silent, cold, and carrying a secret no one expected. Astronomers first see it, moving too fast, too straight, like it's following instructions. Its path doesn't curve like a comet's, and its brightness flickers with an unnatural rhythm. Whispers spread, what if this thing isn't just passing by? What if it's reporting back? Because tonight, we explore a shocking idea. What if Tracy Atlas is part of an interstellar network? 31 Otses is only the third known interstellar visitor detected by humans. It entered our solar system in 2024 with a speed that made it clear it came from far beyond our star. Its orbit wasn't random. It was shaped by something more precise than gravity alone. Some scientists noticed its reflectivity shifting, almost like a coded pulse, and researchers studying interstellar objects wondered if these objects might be more than debris. Because if thousands of cultures have existed across billions of years, someone, somewhere, may have built a cosmic communication web. And what if 3IATLA is one tiny node in that ancient network? Imagine a galaxy filled with millions of wandering probes drifting between stars. They travel slow, patient, and silent, carrying messages written in physics and radio bursts. Each probe acts like a relay station, storing and forwarding information across unimaginable distances. One probe alone is harmless, but a whole network is a map of the galaxy: who lives where, what stars are active, what planets change. If 3IS is part of that chain, then right now our solar system is being scanned, and the data it gathers could already be on its way to a distant intelligence. A shocking truth hits us. Earth may have joined a communication system without ever choosing to. The atmosphere, magnetic field, surface chemistry, exotic detail way, didn't hide anything. And to a network millions of years old, our discoveries would be instantly recognized. They would know we split atoms, we build machines, we use radio. They would know we are young, curious, and loud. And that might shift the entire network in our direction. Because in a system like this, new technological species are rare, fragile sparks in a dark universe. The network could quietly flag Earth as emerging. And that changes everything. Short term, nothing obvious happens. 3-1. Atlas simply drifts on, like a stone through water. But instruments across Earth begin to detect strange, short-lived radio flickers, not natural, not repeating, but structured. Astronomers argue interference, coincidence, equipment failure. Anything except the terrifying alternative. Then, for a brief moment, the object's brightness rises in a perfect geometric pattern. Not noise, not chance. A signal, and in that moment, humanity realizes something overwhelming. Someone may already know we saw it. Governments scramble to coordinate observatories, analyzing every photon the object reflects. Space agencies debate sending a response should we try to speak to it, or stay silent. Meanwhile, 3I, Atlas glides toward interstellar space, as if its task here is already complete. Long term, the consequences deepen. If this network is real, other probes could follow, each with a different function mapping, listening, verifying. Some might pass so far from the sun that only deep space telescopes will see them. Others might slip through the solar system every few decades, unnoticed by earlier civilizations. And now that humanity is aware, every strange object becomes part of the mystery. We would watch the sky, not for danger, but for messages. We would search for patterns in interstellar arrivals, timing, spacing, direction. We might discover the network has been passing through for millions of years, and we simply never realized it. Then the twist arrives. The more scientists compared data from 3I Atlas with Oumuamua and Borisa, the more similarities appear: speed profiles, rotational quirks, thermal oddities. They were different objects, but they behave like parts of a coordinated chain. Earth may not have witnessed a single isolated visitor. We may have witnessed 3 separate messages in a larger interstellar conversation. And suddenly, the idea doesn't feel like fiction. It feels like the edge of a discovery humans were never meant to overlook. If this network exists, It doesn't threaten us. It teaches us something profound. We are not alone in the quiet darkness. Life out there might not shout or invade or announce itself with fanfare. Maybe it simply listens. Maybe it builds pathways across the stars so future civilizations can learn from the past. Maybe we have just been invited onto a bridge older than Earth itself. So now we watch the skies with new eyes. Because somewhere out there, drifting between suns, another object may already be on its way. If you enjoyed exploring this mind-bending idea, tap the like button. Subscribe if you love deep, mysterious, science-driven journeys like this. And share this video with someone who loves the unknown, because the universe is just getting started.